Welcome to the Prevention Generation, where our goal is to redefine the expectations of patients and providers by bridging the gap between holistic and conventional care. This presentation outlines the why and how to achieve this goal by creating a new approach to virtual care technology and reimagining patient engagement based on applying social media-inspired ideas to assessing proactive wellness and reactive care content personalized to the needs of the patient. We set out on this mission based on a very simple premise that is built upon a very complex list of problems. The premise: fix the healthcare crisis. The problems: there are too many to count, but they revolve around chronic illness, the aging population, the cost of healthcare, and the growing need for alternatives to traditional pain management drugs. Our inspiration has come from the reactions we have seen to these problems: shifts of healthcare priorities moving from reactive to proactive care, clinical research showing the promise of natural ingredients to fight the opioid epidemic through the acceptance of virtual care platforms to meet the needs of patients and lower the cost of healthcare. These reactions represent a market opportunity that encompasses both the consumer demand for wellness, a $4.2 trillion global market, and the growth of what was initially referred to as telemedicine, but has evolved to virtual care, representing a $130 billion market with a compound annual growth rate of more than 19%. All of this has framed our premise to create a state-of-the-art virtual care platform and align this with a patient engagement digital approach that delivers personalized health and wellness content directly to the patient per the topics and providers they choose to follow. Our first step was to create and validate a unique application of virtual care that would bridge the gap between holistic and conventional healthcare. The goal was to enable a chiropractor or other holistic provider to connect a patient directly to a conventional doctor while the patient remains in their office. Called Access Connected Care, Dr. Daniel Pavlik invested his own capital to prove this hypothesis by connecting his Pavlik Health and Wellness practice with a standalone conventional medical practice he launched called Access Integrated Primary Care. He employed a medical doctor to lead the AIPC and started offering the virtual care approach to patients. This effort has minimized patient attrition, allowing holistic providers to keep the patients in their office as they get the necessary medical management support needed via the virtual platform. As we created the pilot program to prove the virtual care ACC hypothesis via the Pavlik Center for Health and Wellness and AIPC, we were investing in the structure of the Access Health and Wellness Association to bring this solution to general availability. The process starts with the provider certifying through the AHWA to become a member of the Prevention Generation Network, giving them the ability to offer the ACC virtual care solution to their patients as a destination or origination site. For context, an origination site uses ACC to connect with the conventional doctor, while the destination site enables the virtual care to be delivered to the patient. Each conventional medical site is a destination site. A holistic provider can choose to become a destination site, as well as enabling them to offer holistic care to patients remotely while still delivering conventional virtual care to patients in their office. We were also developing the Prevention Generation patient engagement platform during this time, readying to bring both to market simultaneously in our mission to redefine healthcare expectations. As a holistic or conventional care provider joins and is certified, their health provider partner page is created on the Prevention Generation website, where existing and potential patients can find, follow, and connect digitally with them. As we bring the Prevention Generation Network to market, we have prioritized the chiropractor as our primary holistic target. With 70,000 chiropractors practicing nationwide, we are rolling out first in Florida, followed by expansion in the Southeast, Northeast, Midwest, and then to the West Coast. As we engage with and bring chiropractors on board, we are providing with regional healthcare systems for conventional medical providers to serve as destination sites across the network, bringing a unique value to the healthcare systems, specifically the ability to attract new patients into their system via virtual consults with the chiropractor's patients. Once the provider is certified, which happens within 48 hours of filling out the membership form as a holistic or conventional provider, the provider is connected with a member of our team for official onboarding, systems configuration, and testing. As this is completed, the provider is ready to start serving as a virtual medical office for patients as either an original site or a destination site. Based on the type of provider, the ACC platform will prioritize conventional or holistic providers based on geography. Something unique to the ACC platform, exclusively available to the Prevention Generation Network. While we were perfecting our virtual care strategy, we were also creating the framework for the Prevention Generation digital approach to patient engagement. Inspired by social media engagement trends, the Prevention Generation optimized website enables an existing or new patient to personalize a content feed based on the proactive wellness and reactive care health topics that are most important to them. We call these topics health tags and enable our audience to choose them as they register in the platform, or if the user would prefer, they can simply remain as a guest in the system and view all of our trending health content and access our provider partner pages. Each of our certified providers is featured as a provider partner through the platform with their own local search engine optimized profile page, featuring practice details and content information so new patients can find and follow them in the platform and existing patients can stay engaged. Suppliers to the industry, like nutrition, self-care, and health tech companies, also have the potential to become a lifestyle partner with their own profile pages in the platform where they can post updates, share product and/or service information, and engage via content marketing with our audience of wellness-aware users and patients. Getting started is super easy for new users and existing patients, enabling them to personalize their health feed with a simple 1-2-3 registration process, or simply use the platform as a guest to view trending health content and provider and lifestyle partner posts and pages. So, let's put it all into context from the view of an existing patient that has come into an AHWA certified Prevention Generation holistic care practice. As they work with a holistic primary care provider and it is determined they need conventional care, the provider onboards the patient, finds a local AHWA certified MD or DO, hosts the virtual consult, and then introduces the patient to the Prevention Generation patient engagement platform. The patient views as a guest and then has the potential to personalize their health feed and follow their providers. Then, from the opposite end of the spectrum, new users will be introduced to the Prevention Generation patient engagement website through outbound marketing or search. With the same user experience defined previously, that user can view the trending health content and our provider partner profiles as a guest or personalize their feed through registering. Through the system, local AHWA certified providers will be introduced to the user via links to their profile pages, and demos will be shared explaining how the ACC virtual care platform can streamline their healthcare needs. The user then has the potential to convert to a new patient and connect through AHWA to certified providers by tapping on the contact information featured on provider profile pages. We call the group that is statistically most likely to be searching for wellness and reactive care content the wellness aware. Those patients who have set themselves on a path for better health through weight management, joining gyms and health clubs, practicing mindfulness, supplementing their diet with nutritional products, and more. Further, as the aging population starts to outnumber children in the United States, these patients represent a large demographic that become more wellness aware every day. To attract this pan-generational audience that scales from Gen Z to boomers, search engine optimization has been built into the fabric of the Prevention Generation website. Combined with social media, direct mail, and field marketing to convert holistic and conventional care providers to become AHWA certified members of the Prevention Generation Network, our goal is to create multiple entry points to the platform that are contextually relevant to the individual goals of patients and the goals of our provider partners. Those provider and lifestyle partners are segmented into two primary categories, providers and suppliers. As mentioned, our primary target for holistic providers is chiropractors, but this will evolve to include other wellness professionals like naturopathic doctors and spa owners, while our conventional medicine approach will revolve around working with regional health systems. Further, our lifestyle partners will include supplementation and food companies, health-related lifestyle brands and products, and others trying to reach the wellness-aware demographic. As a provider or supplier, each of our provider and lifestyle partners will have their own unique profile pages through the Prevention Generation website. For providers, their profile pages will include practice details and specialties, while the supplier profile pages will feature product and solution information. Both profiles offer the ability to post content marketing in the form of blogs, articles, podcasts, videos, and more. And users in the platform have the ability to follow providers and suppliers for updates delivered directly to their trending and personalized health feeds. Once a provider is AHWA certified, they can join the Prevention Generation Network through one of three unique packages. The first is to simply use the ACC Virtual Care System as an original site, giving patients access to conventional care through the holistic practice and provider. This is free to the first 300 providers that certify through the AHWA. The second level is called Access Plus, which unlocks the ability for the provider to become a destination site and enables their practice to have a profile page in the Prevention Generation website with all of the benefits outlined previously. Finally, launching in the near future, the Access Premium program has all of the benefits of Plus and expands to include employer healthcare opportunities through at-work health and a set of marketing tools that can be leveraged through the digital platform to engage existing patients and attract new patients to their practice. Supplier lifestyle partners can choose if they would like to have a presence, create an experience, or build brand dominance with our wellness-aware audience and provider partners. Each entry point features unique value, from simply having a profile page and hosting content through to sponsoring specific health tags, enabling the lifestyle partner logo to appear with all the content that has been tagged with that specific topic. For example, a nutritional supplement company that offers an anti-inflammatory product could become the official sponsor of Joint Health in the platform and would be featured with every article, video, podcast, and post tagged with that topic. From creating a state-of-the-art virtual care platform to creating a social media-inspired patient engagement approach that delivers personalized health and wellness content directly to the patients, the Prevention Generation is redefining expectations and healthcare, one patient and one practice at a time. Start now by joining us as we spark a revolution that puts the patient in charge as we bridge the gap between holistic and conventional care.